Okay, so in this video I'm just going to have a quick look at finding the equation of a tangent to a circle. Our circle is going to be x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. And we're going to have a look at the point 3 minus 1. So we'll have our circle. So it'll look something like this. I'm doing this freehand, so it's a little bit rough. And let's say our point is, I don't know, let's say here. So this is our point 3 minus 1. And from that then we have a tangent which will look something like that. We've got to find the equation of this tangent. So the equation of a tangent, well, tangent is just a straight line, and the equation of a straight line is just y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So this is the equation of a straight line. So we need two things to put into this formula here. We need a point and we need the slope. Well, we have a point. We have this point here. So this could be x1, this could be y1 here. So the only thing we're missing here is the slope. So we've got to find the slope of this particular line. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is look at the radius here from the center out to this point here. Now the radius will be at right angles. It'll be perpendicular to any tangent meeting at the same point on a circle. So if we find the slope of this blue line here, this radius here, we will then know the slope of this red line, this tangent here. We can just turn it upside down and change the sign. So let's do that. We know that our center here is going to be minus 1 minus 2. It's just half the coefficient of the x, change the sign, half the coefficient of the y, change the sign. So it's minus 1 minus 2. So we've got to find the slope of this line here. So we have a formula for that. We know that, let's say we call it m1. It's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we take, well, we've already got an x1, y1 here, so let's call this here x2, y2, and put them into our formula. So y2 minus y1, so it's minus 2 minus minus 1, and then it's x2, which is minus 1 minus 3. So here we have minus 2 plus 1, so that's just minus 1. And here we have minus 4 on the bottom. So our slope is just going to be 1/4. Okay, so we'll call the slope of our line our tangent. So the slope of the tangent then is just going to be minus 4. Minus 4 over 1. Just take this slope here, turn it upside down, change the sign. Okay, so we're ready to put our numbers into this formula here. So we have y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. So we have y minus, now we're going to use this point here. This point here is on the tangent. So we're just going to put in our y coordinate there. Our slope is minus 4. And then we have x minus, our x coordinate is 3. So we end up here with y plus 1 is equal to minus 4x plus 12. Bring everything over to one side, so we have 4x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. This here is the equation. This is the equation of the tangent to our circle at the point 3, 1.